Good morning, dear students. I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to learn a new lesson number 6, that is commission rank. This is very easy and simple lesson. In this lesson we are going to learn the commission ranks. We have three type of that: Air Force and Navy and Army. So among these forces, okay, from that we are going to learn the ranks name. Okay, the Indian Armed Forces are the military forces of India. They consist of Army, Navy and Air Forces. So Army, those were saved from us from the enemies. Okay, if anything happens in the end of our country, they can fight with other country people, that Army. And Navy, that is on those who are saved from the water. Okay, and Air Forces, that is upside. Okay, so now we have the list of ranks name. We have the list of ranks name. So the first one is Army, the first one is General. General means common. Okay, and Lieutenant General. So General means common, and according to the department we have the separate. And Lieutenant General and Major General, Brigadier, Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel, Major, Captain and Lieutenant, Admiral, Vice Admiral, Rear Admiral, Commander, Captain, Commander, Lieutenant Commander, Lieutenant, Sub-Lieutenant. Okay, so here we have a army, we have General. So common, and Lieutenant General, according to the department, they have a particular peoples to maintain that. And Major General, so for that we have one person as a major. And Brigadier, Colonel. Okay, so here Air Forces, Navy forces also will learn same. Admiral means to maintain all the departments, and for that Vice Admiral also Rear Admiral. So Commander means he gave order to do each and everything. And Captain, for among this we have one person as a captain, and for that one Commander, Lieutenant Commander and Lieutenant and Sub-Lieutenant. So according to their experience we have the ranks. How in the schools we have a principal, after that teachers, after that students, and in each and every classes we have a class leader. For that okay, so likewise here we have a ranks. So here Air Chief Marshal, Air Marshal, Air Vice Marshal, Air Commander, Group Captain, Wing Commander and Flight Lieutenant, Flying Officer. So Air Chief Marshal, he is the person to arrange everything, and for his, if it is not there, that another one who is the next position, he will arrange everything. So likewise we have each and everything 9 ranks name. Okay, so you have to learn all the ranks name of Army and Navy and Air Forces. And then shall we go for the next lesson, that is edges around the world. Edges around the world. So edges is a covering for the head, and we all have worn it during our lifetime, either regularly or occasionally. There may be different reasons for wearing a edge. Okay, So edges means all the peoples have some customs, some rules and regulations for the religions. Okay, so now you see the picture. So according to the edges, how they are covering their head, from that we come to know which religions, which state they are, which country they are. Okay, so here see that person, he cover only this part on his head. So for that person, if those who are wearing, those who are covering this part on their head, to them we call kippa. To them we call kippa. And second one, see, for this picture and this picture we have a different. Okay, he is covering only the center part of the head, and she is covering only front. Okay, only this much she covered, and she tied with the hair shawl only front part of her head. So to those who are wearing, those who are covered their head, so this style, to them we call flanning. To them we call flanning. And third picture, kofia. Okay, so the first picture, that person is center part of his head, and second girl, she is covered only front part of her head with her shawl. And third picture, kofia, he is covering full, but in downside only some is left. Okay, some left. So this type of covering we call kofia. And fourth one, so every pictures we have a different edges. They are having different style of cover their head. So the first one, cowboy hat. So he is covering full, but that hat is different style, and he is only this part he is covering, but he is covered some up, okay, some half side. And for this person we called fez. And beware head, beware head. See her style, I don't know how she made like that, with a cap, type of cap style it is, that is called beaver head. And bowler, toilet, sombrero. So according to the head, how they are covering their head, how they are using their tails, in that we come to know, okay, the edges name. So in this lesson we have to learn all the edges name, and you just look at the pictures, what is the difference of the edges, okay, how they cover their head. So in these both lessons you have to learn the names. So first lesson you have to learn all the ranks names, and second lesson you have to learn the edges names. Thank you and have a nice day.